Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to export Asana to Excel. If you've ever struggled with transferring your task data from Asana into Excel, you're in the right place. This can be incredibly helpful for those who need to perform advanced data analysis, generate reports, or simply keep backups. Exporting data from Asana to Excel is a straightforward process, but there are a few steps involved that can trip you up if you're not familiar with them. So let's dive in and tackle this together. First things first, you'll need to log into your Asana account. Make sure you have access to the project you want to export. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left panel. This is your navigation hub within Asana. Here you'll find a list of your projects. Go ahead and select the project whose data you need to export. For demonstration purposes, let's say we're working with a project named YT Project. As you view the project, you'll notice all your data neatly organized. Now to start the export process, direct your attention to the project name at the top. Next to the project name, there's a small drop-down arrow. Click on this arrow to reveal additional options. Among these options, you'll see something labeled as Sync and Export. This is where the magic happens. Once you've clicked on Sync and Export, a variety of choices will appear. These options allow you to synchronize your project with different platforms. You'll see options like Outlook, Google Calendar, iCal, and even Google Sheets. However, for our purpose today, we are interested in exporting to CSV, which is essential for Excel compatibility. So go ahead and click on CSV. After selecting CSV, your browser will direct you to a new page. This is the download page where you can save your file. You can choose where you want to save it on your computer, and if you like, you can rename the file to something more descriptive or relevant to your needs. Remember to ensure that the Save As type is set to Microsoft Excel or CSV format. For simplicity, you might leave the file name as it is and just hit Save. Now that the file is saved, you can locate it on your computer, perhaps on your desktop or in a Downloads folder. Find the file, which should be named YT Project or whatever you've chosen. Double-click on it to open it in Excel. As Excel opens the file, you might encounter a pop-up message. Excel is letting you know that it will perform certain data conversions. Specifically, large numbers might be converted to scientific notation. If you're okay with these conversions, you can click Convert. If you prefer to keep the original formatting, select Don't Convert. And just like that, your Asana project data is now in Excel, ready for any analysis or reporting you need to do. Hopefully this guide helped you easily learn how to export Asana to Excel. If you want more videos like how to export Asana to Excel, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.